and welcome back to my channel, and also happy Valentine's Day. I hope you're having a great day, whether if you're single, if you're in a relationship, or whatever, you're married, you're dating, whatever it is. I hope you're having a great day. I think Valentine's Day is like a little like much, like I don't know. I don't want to go into my whole opinions on Valentine's Day today, but I think it is just another day. It's a day to have fun, and if you want to get dolled up, do that. If you want to like put on a mask and do self-care, do that. But I did want to bring you like a Valentine's-esque look today because like why not? So yes, you're getting a Thursday upload instead of a Friday upload this week. I'm sure you don't mind, but yes, I created this look today that I have on my eyes, and I'm obsessed with this look. I wasn't sure how I would feel about it like as I was creating it. Like I was like, I don't know, but I had this look in my head all last night and all yesterday, and I was like, I have to create this look for Valentine's Day. It's just like so perfect. I love it and everything. It's like a red, almost like berry, like pink look today. It's very pink and in your face for Valentine's Day, so if you really want to doll yourself up and just really get glam, this is the perfect look for you. This look is for everybody. I don't care if you're single, if you're dating, whatever it is, this is the perfect look for you. I love this look. It is just so pink, and I went with a nude lip and everything to kind of tie it together and everything. I didn't want to go like too out there. I think Valentine's Day is definitely another day, and you should love your loved ones, whoever it is, every single day. So that's that, and I don't want to go into a long intro, so if you want to see how to get this glam Valentine's Day type of look, you're in the right place. Just keep on watching. Okay, so onto my makeup. I'm just going to be taking the Urban Decay primer potion and just prime my eyes with that. And then today I'm using the Lisa Drag palette, which I'm super excited about. And I'm taking the shade Fake Face, and I'm just going to be putting that on my lids to set them and also add a good base, which will make the shadows we apply after this just appear way more pigmented. Then I'm taking the shade Sickening, and I'm just going to blend this into my crease like so, just to add like a transition to my eyes. I'm really going to be buffing that in there. Well, really just being sloppy with it, but that's okay. The look just requires that, I guess. And then I'm going to take the shade Hunty and buff that to my outer corner, and then buff it inner and just blend that right in there. Then I'm taking the shade Snatch, and I apply that to my outer corner. I'm just applying this very precisely to like my outer crease, outer corner, and I'm gonna be going in with this probably like 100 times and everything. And then I'm going to go in with it on my inner corner, and we're gonna make this halo eye that is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this shade takes a lots of blending. I mean, it's very pigmented right off the bat, so in this palette, if you're using the same palette as me, you really don't need much. And then I'm gonna be blending the like edges out, and then I'm placing concealer on the center of my eye, so when I put that like shimmer shade, it's more like of a blank canvas. We don't have any other shadows disturbing it. Then I'm just going to blend out of that, like I'm going to blend that part out. And then I'm going to put down the NYX glitter primer, which is amazing. It's literally the best glitter primer, and it's so cheap. And then I'm going to take two shades. I'm going to take the shade Beat, and then I'm also taking Wild Child, and I'm mixing those together and putting them on the center of my lid. This is something, these two shadows, the last two shadows I've applied, this is something I repeat until I get the look I want. So I'm just going to montage this part because I blend the outer corner, put this on, I kind of do this process until I like how it looks. And now onto the face makeup. I'm an idiot and I forgot to show you the foundation I'm using. So I'm basically mixing the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous foundation. I think I have the shade 110. And then the L'Oreal Pro Glow in 202. And I'm mixing these on. I'll try to put a picture of those on the screen. So I'm just blending that out with my Sonocash sponge, which I love. And yeah, I'm just blending my foundation. I feel like that's pretty simple. I mean, you've seen me do this on my channel probably like 500 times. Let's be real. And then I'm just using my Makeup Revolution Conceal Define Concealer. I have the shade C2, which I think is a great shade. So I'm just applying it under my eyes, on the center of my face, like down my nose, in between my eyebrows, chin, cupid's bow, just wherever I want a good old highlighted look. And I like to kind of like blend this out on my outer corner to give it that line, just because I feel like that just looks cool. So I always do that, and I'm just blending my good old concealer.
Before I apply my powder, I'm just fixing that halo eye because my idea is with the powder I can just blend it away if I do have fallout. So I'm just taking the Mercier transparent, translucent powder, whatever you want to call it. I'm just blending with my sponge because I don't get dry when I use like my sponge, and it's just, I love blending with my sponge anyways. So I'm just gonna blend that all over under my eyes and then also all over my face, just to set just a tiny bit because I don't like to really hardly set, like, you know, like really set. Then I'm taking the steel glitter and glow, and I'm just going to be applying that to kind of intensify that shimmer on the middle of my lid. And I love this one. I think this is called Monarch, I believe, and I love this. And then I'm just going to be blending that halo eye color just in my inner corner to make sure it's still there. But I love just the intensity that the glitter adds to this look, just because that oomph we really needed. And then I'm going to take the shade Dreamer and just apply that to my inner corners from the Norvina palette, by the way. And I'm also going to be applying it to my brow bone. Also, I'm pretty sure I forgot to apply my brow gel on camera, so oopsies, but I use Essence Make Me Brow. But I have an everyday makeup routine on my channel. I'll link it in the cards if you do want to know the products I typically use on a daily basis. And for mascara, I'm using the Cosmetics Superhero, and then I'm also going to use the Clinique Elevated Volume, whatever that mascara is called. All the products will be listed down below, so I'm not going to be sure to get like every single word to the name right, but that's what I'm using for mascara. So just apply that to my lashes, and if you wanted to apply falsies for this you could, but I'm not going to. And for lips today, I'm going for a nude, just something classic. So I'm using the Amuge Bouge lipstick from Bite Beauty. This one's in Honeycomb. This is like my go-to nude. So yes, I love this color, and I'm just going to be applying this because it's my favorite nude. And I'm just going to do some quick bronzing. So I'm going to be taking the Becca Bondi bronzer, which I've been really enjoying. This is in my project pan for this year, so I'm trying to use this up. I'm putting on my cheekbones, kind of on my temples. I'll go on the sides of my nose and everything, and a little bit down my neck just to make sure everything blends. But I'm just going to do like a light kind of bronze to warm up my face because I felt like I looked a tad bit pale, which is kind of weird because I used a warmer foundation. And then for my blush today, I'm using the Physicans Formula Butter Blush in Plum Rose, which I love. I love Physicans Formula, especially this blush. It's like probably my favorite product from them. Just gonna shake up my setting spray, and currently using the Urban Decay All Nighter, which isn't my favorite setting spray. I love a glowier setting spray, but for now, this will do. Lastly, gonna highlight with my Elf and Heart highlight. This is my favorite highlight, coffee and cream, and I'm applying this practically all over my face, like bathing myself in this. So I'm applying it to my cheekbones, center of my forehead, cupid's bow, chin, nose, like pretty much everywhere. And this is it for my makeup.
Okay everyone, so that is the look, that is the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this look as much as I loved creating it. I seriously am obsessed with this look. Like, I'm not even just saying that, like I'm living for this look. Even like after, I'm just like, I love this look. I'm obsessed with myself today, just a bit. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like more tutorials down below, let me know. And just let me know any other videos to see next down below. I post Mondays and typically Fridays. I know it's Thursday today, but that's typically when I post, and I'll be back to that schedule again next week. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up like I said, comment down below. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because I do upload every single week, Mondays and Fridays like I said. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you're having a great day. Valentine's Day, hope you're having a great day, and I just want to send so much love right back at you. So have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.